So this is the second lecture for Unit 1, Business Statistics second paper for TY BCom students. Definition of combination. A combination is a group or selection of objects in which order is immaterial. Suppose that there are three objects A, B and C. Combination of three objects taken two at a time are AB, AC and BC. Here AB is equal to BA, so BA is not counted again. Definition of combination. A combination of n different objects taken R at a time is a selection of only R objects out of n objects without any regard to the order in the selection. Theorem 4. The total number of different combinations of n distinct objects taken R at a time without repetition is denoted by NCR and or NCR and is given by NCR is equal to n factorial upon R factorial upon n minus R factorial. R is always less than or equal to n, which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to n minus R plus 1 divided by R factorial. We know that NPR is equal to n factorial upon n minus R factorial. Therefore, NCR is equal to NPR upon R factorial. Therefore, NCR is always less than or equal to NPR. Example, list all possible combinations of A, B, C, D, E taken 3 at a time. As n is equal to 5 and R is equal to 3, there will be 5C3 ways of possible combinations of 5 letters taken 3 at a time. So 5C3 is equal to 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial is equal to 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2. So 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 5C3 is equal to 10. Therefore, there will be 10 possibilities such as ABC, ABD, ABE, ACD, ACE, ADE, BCD, BCE, BDE and CDE. Next example. In how many ways can a committee of 3 men and 5 women be selected from 7 men and 10 women? 3 men from 7 men can be selected in 7C3 ways and 5 women can be selected in 10C5 ways. Therefore, total number of ways in which 3 men and 5 women are selected from 7 men and 10 women are given by 7C3 into 10C5. 7C3 can be considered as 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial into 10 factorial upon 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 factorial. So 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 10 factorial upon 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Now 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So 7 5s are 35. So 7C3, the answer is 35. We will expand 10C5. 10 factorial can be considered as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial. 1 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10 cancels with this 10. 4 1s are 4 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So the remaining numbers are 3 into 2 into 7 into 6. So 10C5, the answer becomes 252. And the final product is nothing but 35 into 252. So that is nothing but 8820. Next example. From among 7 men and 5 ladies, a committee of 5 is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done if the committee contains at least 3 ladies? Solution. We want to form a committee of 5 which includes at least 3 ladies. First of all, we will list all the possibilities in which at least 3 ladies can be selected out of 5 ladies. Let A denote the event that a committee includes at least 3 ladies. The possibilities are 3 ladies and 2 men, or 4 ladies and 1 man, or 5 ladies and 0 men. We know that according to the principle of counting, multiplication principle and addition principle, we can find the possibilities as follows. So number of favorable outcomes for event A is equal to 5C3 into 7C2 plus 5C4 into 7C1 plus 5C5 into 7C0. Now 5C3 can be written as 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial into 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 7 minus 2 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 4 factorial into 5 minus 4 factorial into 7 factorial upon 1 factorial into 7 minus 1 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 5 minus 5 factorial into 7 factorial upon 0 factorial into 7 minus 0 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 4 factorial into 1 factorial into 7 factorial upon 1 factorial into 6 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 0 factorial into 7 factorial upon 0 factorial into 7 factorial. So now this 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2. So 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 5C3, the answer is 10. Now we'll expand 7C2. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 2 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial again cancels with each other. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. 7 threes are 21. So the answer is 21. Next expansion is 5 factorial upon 4 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. 4 factorial gets cancelled. The answer becomes 5. So 5C4, the answer is 5. Now we will expand 7C1. 7C1 can be considered as 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. So 6 factorial gets cancelled. The answer becomes 7. So 7 into 5, the product is 35. Then the last product is 5C5, the answer is 1, and 7C0, the answer is 1. So 1 into 1, the final answer becomes 1. So this is equal to 210 plus 35 plus 1. So the number of possibilities are 246. Next example, a cricket team of 11 players is to be formed from 18 players consisting of 7 bowlers, 3 wicket keepers and 8 batsmen. In how many ways the team can be formed so that it contains exactly 5 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers? Solution. We want to form a team of 11 players which consists of 5 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. Naturally, 4 batsmen should be selected from 8 batsmen. 5 bowlers can be selected from 7 bowlers in 7C5 ways. 2 wicket keepers can be selected from 3 wicket keepers in 3C2 ways. And 4 batsmen can be selected from 8 batsmen in 8C4 ways. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 7C5 into 3C2 into 8C4. Now we will get the answers, which is equal to 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 7 minus 5 factorial into 3 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial into 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 8 minus 4 factorial. Now 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So 5 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So the answer is 21. Now 3C2, the answer we will calculate. 3 factorial can be considered as 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. So 2 into 2 factorial gets cancelled. The answer becomes 3. And 8C4, we will expand the value. 8 factorial can be considered as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 1 4 factorial can be considered as 4 into 3 into 2 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial gets cancelled. 4 2s are 8 cancels with this 8. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So 7 2s are 14. 14 5s are 70. So if you multiply 21 into 3 into 70, the total number of ways is equal to 4410. Next example. A person has got 16 acquaintances, of whom 10 are relatives. In how many ways he may invite 8 guests so that 6 of them would be relatives? Now, according to the given information, a person has got 16 acquaintances, of whom 10 are relatives. Hence, 6 are friends. So 16 can be divided in 2 parts, 10 relatives and 6 friends. He wants to invite 8 guests so that 6 of them would be relatives. So therefore, number of possible ways is equal to 10C6 into 6C2. Now 10C6 we will expand in the following way, which is equal to 10 factorial upon 6 factorial into 10 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. Now 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial gets cancelled. 4 2s are 8 cancels with this 8. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So the values which are remaining are 10 into 3 into 7. So the answer is 210. Then 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 2 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 5 3s are 15. So if you multiply 210 with 15, the total number of ways in which the person invites 8 guests, out of which 6 are relatives, the final answer is 3150. Next example. In a basket, there are 5 mangoes and 4 oranges. If any 3 fruits are to be selected from these, find the number of possibilities in which exactly 2 mangoes are selected, no mango is selected, at least 1 mango is selected, at least 2 mangoes are selected. In a basket, there are 5 mangoes and 4 oranges. 3 fruits are to be selected. Let us define the events. A is the event that exactly 2 mangoes are selected. So favorable outcomes for event A is equal to 5C2 into 4C1. Now 5C2 can be written as 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial. So 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial. Now 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So answer is 10. And for 4C1, 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial is there. So 3 factorial gets cancelled. The final answer is 4. So the number of possible ways in which exactly 2 mangoes are selected is given by 10 into 4. That is nothing but 40. Next event, no mango is selected. So we will define event B as no mango is selected. So we will have to select all all the three fruits from the oranges. So number of favorable outcomes for event B is equal to 4C3. 4C3, we can get the answer as 4. Now define the third possibility. C is equal to at least one mango is selected. The number of possibilities are 1 mango and 2 oranges, or 2 mangoes and 1 orange, or 3 mangoes and 0 oranges. So favorable outcomes can be considered as 5C1 into 4C2 plus 5C2 into 4C1 plus 5C3 into 4C0. So 5C1, we can write it as 5 factorial upon 1 factorial into 5 minus 1 factorial into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial plus 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial into 4 factorial upon 0 factorial into 4 minus 0 factorial. So the first product can be considered as 5 factorial upon 4 factorial, which can be written as 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. So 4 factorial can be cancelled. So answer is 5. Then 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 is there. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 3 2s are 6. So 5 into 6 becomes 30. Next product, I think we have seen how to solve 5C3. 5C2, the answer is 10. 4C1, the answer is 4. 5C3, the answer is 10. And 4C0, the answer is 1. So number of possible ways is equal to 30 plus 40 plus 10. That is nothing but 80. See the example. A bag contains 4 red and 6 black balls. If 5 balls are selected at random, one after the other, without replacement, find the number of combinations in which at least 2 red balls are included. So there are 4 red and 6 black balls in a bag. We have to select 5 balls which will include at least 2 red balls. The possibilities are 2 red and 3 black balls, or 3 red and 2 black balls, or 4 red and 1 black ball. So number of possible ways is equal to 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. Now 4C2 can be written as 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial into 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial into 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial plus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 4 minus 4 factorial into 6 factorial upon 1 factorial to 6 minus 1 factorial. So we'll expand it further as 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial plus 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 0 factorial into 6 factorial upon 1 factorial into 5 factorial. Now 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 gets cancelled with 4 directly. So the answer becomes 6. Now we will expand 6C3. 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 1 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 3 factorial as it is. So 3 factorial gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6 get cancelled with 6. So 5 4s are 20. So 6C3 is nothing but 20. Then we will expand 4c3. 4c3 can be written as, see, 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. So 3 factorial gets cancelled. So answer is 4. Then the next product is 6c2. So for getting 6c2, we have to consider 6 factorial as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 2 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 5 threes are 15. So 4 into 15 is the second product. Plus last product we have to see 4c4. The answer is 1. Plus 6c1. The answer is 6. Because 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial. Upon 5 factorial is there. So 5 factorial gets cancelled. So 1 into 6. So last product is 6. So final answer is 120 plus 60 plus 6, that is equal to 186.